Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Okay, so I already gave y'all the like little fit check or whatever, but I'm still gonna show y'all what it looks like on. So this is the top. I hope it's like reverse so you can read it, but like I showed y'all in the other clip, it just says more weekends please, and then we got on the Nike Pros. I don't know if I said this when I was like in my little chit chat get ready with me, but I am so ready to move. Like, it's not even funny. Like, I'm ready to just decorate my new room and just, I don't know, just be in a different place. And then I also need to get some things for my camera. I need like 2 batteries and an SD card, because I'm planning on going to Cedar Point and I wanted to vlog, but I can't like recharge my camera, so I need a replaceable battery. And I know you're probably thinking like, you should have been had that, and I should have, but if I'm gonna find like my way around something, if I can find my way around something, I'm going to. And I did just do like a whole, I'm saying this just in case I don't show it, but I did just do like a whole chit chat get ready with me right before this clip. But if I don't like the way I look, if I don't like the way it looks when I'm editing, then I already know I'm gonna just speed that up and just play some music in the background. Like what do y'all like? What do y'all be up to? Like, what shows do y'all watch? I need some shows to watch. I started watching Force. Oh, these are my nails, by the way. I know I said I would show y'all. Sorry. This is the other hand. I still did not glue the other nail on. It's just a pink French tip that I will glue it on before I leave. I'm about to tell y'all to remind me, like y'all gonna know. Like Amaya, my niece, I love her so much. She's so precious. She's so tiny. Ooh. And she's a really good baby. Like, she don't even cry unless like if she have a reason. Like, I know that doesn't make sense, but like some babies are just cry babies, but Amaya, like, she literally only cries if she's hungry or if she needs to be changed. But she's my lock screen. She's so cute. Oh, and also I have a it's up to you guys if you want to follow it. I don't mind. I can have 0 followers for all I care, but I have a dump page, like, where I just post all of my like random pictures and stuff like that. If you want to go follow it, go ahead. This is it. I posted a Maya on here, and look at her. She's so cute. These are the flowers I got my sister. Oh, okay, swipe. This was my like mood post because Amaya was taking forever to come out. And then this is my sister. This is when Amaya was born, and that's little baby Amaya. And if I haven't said it before, we are at 990 subscribers. Like, I was just watching, look, 990, like, yay. I was just watching an old video, not an old video, but that collective vlog that I posted. I was in there talking about like, oh, I was just at 185 subscribers, and now I'm at 336 or 361 or something like that, and now I'm at freaking 990, about to hit 1,000. Like, grateful. Thank you all for subscribing. I know most of y'all came from that mini twist video. I will be putting out more hair content, like I told y'all about the sponsorships and stuff like that, but as of right now, I have to make sure that they're not trying to play me just because I'm new to this. So I will be doing another mini twist video. I'm probably gonna do one with human hair, but I don't know. I feel like if I do mini twists with human hair, I'm probably never taking them out. For real, I'm not even joking. Like, I'll probably never take them out. Cause y'all Y'all know I like low-key want to lock my hair up. Like I keep saying I'm gonna do it. I've been saying I was gonna lock my hair up for almost a year now because I was supposed to do it to start the freshman year of college. I'll only be able to do like wigs. Really, that's it. Like they want me to do boho braids and all that stuff like that, which is cool. I like boho braids. I want some, but I'm not about to pay for the hair from your website and also go buy braiding hair. Do the whole hairstyle because braids take a long time and I have to add the boho pieces. That's gonna take me forever. And then record a video, edit a video, take 2 HD pictures, post a TikTok. Like you want me to do all of that before you even send me anything? Are you crazy? But yeah, so I'll see y'all in the next clip. Your girl about to turn this camera off before I don't have no more storage. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.
When I'm with you, how can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose.
I am back. My makeup looks bad. I'm back from going to the place. I don't remember what I said I was gonna get, ice cream or something. I ended up getting a smoothie bowl, but now it looks gross, but it was actually really good. It's my first time getting one, and I'm thinking I'm about to start getting those for breakfast because it was great. I'm supposed to be going to some park with my family because even though my dad is no longer with us, we're still supposed to celebrate or something, but it is 8:38. I don't know. I think I just want to stay at home. I don't really want to be in nobody's face. I think I'm gonna tell my mom that I don't want to go. I planned on going, but I'm just not feeling it. I always wear this necklace. It's a David Yurman necklace that I actually stole from my mom like 2 years ago, just never gave back. It's beautiful. It's just a little heart. And this one I'm wearing today because it's Father's Day, and I don't know if you can see, but it says My Angels, and then it says Sean, which is my dad's name, and then Diane, which is his mom's name. Happy Heavenly Father's Day to my dad. And I'm about to take this makeup off and probably watch a movie. Bye guys. Good morning guys. It is Monday, June 19th, the next day. And it is 10:07 a.m. I'm about to, well actually I just got out the shower. My sister's calling me, 1 second. I don't really remember what I was saying, but today's to-do list is breakfast at probably 11:30. I'm gonna come home and try to pack up some stuff, depends on how I'm feeling. And then later on, I guess when it gets dark out, we're gonna have a bonfire. That's what my mom says. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog all of that, but that's what we're working with today. So y'all are still my camera for today, or for 2 days or whatever. I don't really know how I'm gonna title this video, considering it might only be 2 days in the whole vlog. And I'm actually about to make some tea because my nose is stopped up. It is actually 71 degrees, but I'm just gonna make a small cup of tea just to get me together. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I will see y'all when I am dressed and ready to go. Okay, so I am dressed. I don't have any edge controls. Well, my mom took it with her, so I don't have edges look like this. But I just have like a low little claw clip style, half up, half down. I'm wearing this cute butterfly dress with the little slit right here. The slit is not this high. I'm just sitting down, but this is the outfit. And I'm probably gonna wear some white sandals with it, with a white purse. Another nail popped off. So press-ons are cool, you save money, but it's a little annoying. And y'all see I took my lashes off like I told y'all yesterday. And yeah, I will just see y'all in the next clip. I don't know, I'm about to put this nail back on and drink my little tea that I made and wait until it's time to go.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding this logic. Ay, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Make somebody so next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been.
Hey guys, it is currently 10:20 p.m. and I'm just now about to leave the house. But yeah, we're about to go to the bonfire now. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot about it. But it's okay. I'm gonna try to vlog there as much as possible. If I forget to vlog, then I'm just gonna say bye guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is the end of the video, then that means I definitely forgot to vlog or it wasn't vlog worthy all day since I got back from breakfast at around 2, 3. I have been just editing this video that you're watching right now so that I can get a head start because I need to post. I haven't posted in so long. So if this is the end, then bye for real. So deuces guys.